How to use Arena AI Full Tutorial 2026 Free AI Model Comparison. Want to compare Claude, ChatGPT, Gemini, and other AI models side by side completely for free without brand bias influencing you. In this video, I am going to teach you exactly how to use Arena AI in 2026 so you can determine which AI model works best for your needs. Arena AI is a free platform created by UC Berkeley researchers that lets you test and compare any AI models anonymously. You just submitted a prompt, get responses from 2 unknown models, vote for the better answer, and then discover which models you actually compared. Let us get into it. Step 1. Go to arena.ai in your browser. No sign-up required to get started. You can start comparing models immediately. Step 2. You will see the main interface with a text box asking for your prompt. Type any question or task you want to test across multiple AI models. For example, you could type, "Explain quantum computing in simple terms," or "Help me write a product description for a coffee maker." Step 3. Click Start New Battle. Arena will now randomly select 2 AI models to respond to your prompt without telling you which ones they are. This is the blind battle mode that eliminates brand bias. Step 4. Wait for both responses to generate. You will see response A and response B side by side. Both responses come from different AI models, but you do not know which models yet. Step 5. Read both responses carefully and compare them. Which one is clearer? Which one is more helpful? Which one better answers your question? Step 6. Click the thumbs up button next to the response you think is better. This is your vote. You are telling Arena which response you prefer. Step 7. Once you vote, Arena reveals which models generated each response. You now know that, for example, response A was Claude and response B was ChatGPT. This helps you learn which model you actually prefer for different types of tasks. Step 8. Your vote feeds into Arena's public leaderboard. Millions of users voting create a continuously updated ranking of which AI models perform best in real-world situations. Step 9. Click New Round to run another comparison. You can do as many battles as you want completely free. Each battle uses 2 random models so you see different comparisons. Alternative method, side-by-side comparison mode. Step 1. Instead of blind battles, you can choose exactly which models you want to compare. Go to arena.ai/side-by-side. Step 2. Type your prompt in the text box. Step 3. Select the specific AI models you want to compare from the drop-down menu. You can select up to 4 models at once, including Claude, GPT-5, Gemini, and many others. Step 4. Click Compare. Arena generates responses from all the models you selected simultaneously. Step 5. Read all responses side by side and see how each model handles the same task. You know which model is which from the beginning, so you can make informed decisions about which tool works best for your workflow. Viewing the public leaderboard. Step 1. Go to arena.ai/leaderboard. Step 2. You will see rankings for text models, image models, and code models. Step 3. The leaderboard shows how all AI models rank based on millions of user votes from Arena battles. Claude, GPT-5, Gemini, and other models are ranked by how often users voted for their responses. Step 4. Click on any model to see its detailed stats and performance across different categories. Pro tip. The blind battle mode is best when you want honest comparisons without brand preference influencing you. The side-by-side mode is best when you already know which models you want to test, or when you want to compare a specific set of models for a particular task. Combine both methods to get the most comprehensive understanding of which AI model works best for your specific needs. So to recap, go to arena.ai, type your prompt, click Start New Battle for blind comparisons, or go to arena.ai/side-by-side to choose specific models. Vote for the better response. See which models generated each response. Check the public leaderboard to see overall rankings, and use blind battles for honest comparisons or side-by-side for testing specific models. If this video helped you understand Arena AI, hit the like button and subscribe for more AI tool comparisons. And drop a comment below telling me which AI model you discovered performed best for your needs. See you in the next one.